Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Semstar Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 5. So students, today we are going to do our worksheets. You all have this book, Fun with Learning, okay? And today we are going to do worksheet number 2, which is the nouns revision on page number 3, okay? So this exercise we are going to do, but before that we must know about the nouns and types of nouns. Okay, kinds of nouns. So what is a noun? Noun are naming words. That means everything which we can call by a name is a noun. Like fan, table, chair, maid, Ram, Shyam, any person, boy, girl. These all are nouns. Okay, me myself, I am also a noun because I am a boy. Yes, I am a boy. My name is Abhishek. Abhishek is also a noun. Okay, so you yourself as a noun. Your name is a noun. How? So that we will learn types of noun. Okay. Now we know what is noun and types of noun. The very first one is proper noun. Okay. Second is common noun. Third is collective noun. Fourth is abstract noun. Abstract noun. And last one is material noun. Okay. So we will start from proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun, when we proper noun are special names, or when we talk about a specific thing for person. Like my name is Abhishek. Abhishek is a proper name. For that it is a proper noun. And proper noun has a quality that we always write proper nouns with capital letter. Okay, it start with capital letter always. Yeah, and it must a name of a person, place, or thing. Got it? Common noun. Number 2 is common noun. When we are talking about common things which belong from any group, okay, so with no special name, that is common noun. Like table, chair, boy, girl. Here I am talking about a group of things like table, chair are coming in furniture. Boy, girl, these all are human beings from a group. They are belonging to a group, but they don't. Here I am not calling proper names. Okay, proper names for them. For that, these all are common noun. Next is collective noun. As you can understand by the name, collection, collective noun, collection of things, person or place. जब एक ग्रुप को पूरे ग्रुप क्या कहते हैं, एक कलेक्शन को एक नाम दिया जाता है, उस नाम को हम कहते हैं कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. ओके, लाइक बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, फूलों का गुलदस्ता. बंच ऑफ कीज, चाबियों का गुच्छा. when we take a collection of things, it comes in singular noun. वो पूरा एक ही काउंट होता है. ओके, इन कलेक्शन. like a crowd of people. Yes. Abstract noun. Next is abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? Abstract noun are feeling and emotions which we can feel only. We cannot see them, we cannot touch them. And see, you can say through expression, or when the person is talking to you or speaking, then we can understand, but we cannot see it, and we cannot touch it. Okay, these are abstract noun. Like jealousy. Jealousy we feel only. Jealous we feel. It's a feeling. We can't touch it and we can't see it. Okay, like happiness, sadness. Yes, these all are abstract noun. Last is material noun. Material noun, by the name you can understand material. जिन चीजों से हम कोई दूसरी चीजें बना सकते हैं, वो चीजें क्या कहलाती हैं? मटेरियल. लाइक पेपर, ग्लास. पेपर से हम बहुत सारी चीजें बना सकते हैं. बुक, नोटबुक्स, यस, कैलेंडर, मैगजीन्स. So these all are made by paper. So what is paper? Paper is a material. So that is a material noun. Like glass. Glass से हम utensils बना सकते हैं, specs बनाते हैं, windows बनाते हैं. Yes. So the glass is also a material noun. Got it? So now we have done with nouns and its types. So what we have to do in this exercise, in this worksheet, look at this picture carefully, write all the nouns that you can spot. Also write what type of noun each one is. In the picture you can see that they have given some names, you know. उन्होंने कुछ नेम लिखे हुए हैं लोगों के, डॉग के, एंड यू नो गर्ल और बॉयज आर देयर, तो उनके नाम भी लिखे हुए हैं। और उसके अलावा उन्होंने बोला है कि पिक्चर में आप जो नाउन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, स्पॉट कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो, उनको लिखो और फिर उनके सामने हमें उसका काइंड भी लिखना है कि कौन सा वो नाउन कौन सा वाला है। गॉट इट? सो वी विल स्टार्ट। आई विल राइट द नेम फर्स्ट, देन इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम आई विल राइट which type of noun they are. Got it? Okay. So what nouns we can spot? The very first is Tina. Okay, in picture you can see there is a girl whose name is Tina. We can see Rohit, Om, Sonia, Neeraj and Sun as well. Yes. So these all are special noun. Special noun, or you can say special name of a person or a thing. Okay. So these all are proper nouns. Okay. We have to write proper noun. Okay. So in front of them, everywhere we have to write proper noun. In front of these, special name. These are special name of a person or place, or thing. So what we call them proper noun. Okay? Tina, Rohit, Om, Sonia, Neeraj and Sun. These all are proper nouns. Okay, now come to this one. Boy, girl, boat, tree, sea or birds. These are the animals, person, place or thing, but they are belonging to a group, but they don't have any proper name or any special name. For that, these are common nouns. These are common nouns. So we have to write in front of them common noun. This you all have to write in your book, in that worksheet number 2. Okay. Okay. So boy, girl, boat, tree, sea and birds, these all are common nouns. So now we will move to other one which are left. So let's do them. Okay. Next we can spot a ship, a ball, a teapot in girl's hand, a jug down there, sandcastle. Two children are making sandcastles and cookies near that teapot. Yes. So what is the ship? Ship is also a common noun. Ball is also a common noun because it is not specific. Teapot is also a common noun. Again, jug is also a common noun. Can be any jug. There is no proper name for it. Sandcastle is also common noun. What is sandcastle? You know, रेत के जो आप लोग बनाते हो घर किले टाइप का, that is called sandcastle. Beach के किनारे, that children are making in that picture, no? Cookies, some cookies are also there. Common noun. So these all are common nouns in that picture. So you just have to write in front of them like this. Okay. Now we will do worksheet number 9, which is order of adjectives. So let's do that. Okay, so now we are going to do worksheet number 9, which is order of adjectives. It is given on page number 10 in your book. And here we are going to learn how we arrange more than one adjective in a sentence, in an order. Okay, so first we must know about adjective. Adjectives I have already told you that taught you that adjectives are describing words, or we can say that an adjective is a word which describes a noun or pronoun. For example, she is a pretty girl. What is pretty? Pretty is adjective which we are using to describe she. Yes, and she is pronoun. तो हम pronoun को describe कर रहे हैं through the word pretty. So यहाँ पे pretty is an adjective. Okay. Ram is an intelligent boy. Ram is an intelligent boy. What is intelligent? Intelligent is an adjective which we are using to describe Ram. कि Ram किस तरह का student है. Got it? Now we will come to order of adjectives. As I have told you, when we have more than one adjective in a sentence, so how we have to arrange it, this we will learn through this worksheet. For that we must learn this, this word. DOSASCOMS. If we can learn this, then we will be able to do order of adjectives. What this D stands for? This D stands for determiner. Determiner is a word which we use before a noun to show what the noun is standing. For what noun is standing in the sentence. Opinion, as I have already taught you, opinion when what we think about a person or animal, or about an animal, or you can say a thing by its nature or its behavior or its property. कि वो beautiful है, सुंदर है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, खराब है, okay, good, bad, all these things. Size. This stands for size. वो चीज क्या, वो इंसान या वो चीज कैसे है, छोटा, बड़ा, short, large, small, medium. Yes. Age. This A stands for age, new or old. Shape. This S stands for shape. That thing or that person is, rectangular, square, round, circular. This C stands for color. White, black, blue color. Then we write this. We use this O. This O stands for origin. वो चीज कहाँ से belong करती है? Like Germany है तो German, India से है तो Indian, China से है तो Chinese, Japan से है तो Japanese. Yes. Material. Which material we have used to make anything or any particular thing or craft you can say. तो वो material आ जाएगा. Then last S is it will be P. This P stands for purpose. किस purpose से, मतलब noun किस purpose के लिए, किसी भी purpose के through noun को describe करना. Purpose. P. This P stands for purpose. P means determiner. O means opinion. S means size. A means age. This S stands for shape. C for color. O for origin. M for material and P for purpose. Okay, that's now see these exercise, these examples. Two examples I have written. My sister adopted a beautiful big white bulldog. Now you can see that in this sentence we have three adjectives: beautiful, big, and white. Okay, and see this number 2. Example number 2: a wonderful old Italian clock. Wonderful, old, and Italian. Three adjectives. Again, in a sentence we have three adjectives. So how we know that which adjective we have to use first? We will learn through order of adjectives. If we learn DOSASCOMP and what they stand for, then we will be able to write a sentence with more than one adjective. Now see, adopted a beautiful. What is beautiful? Beautiful is हमने बताया था ना आपको कि जब हम किसी के नेचर, बिहेवियर या उसकी प्रॉपर्टी के थ्रू उसके लिए कोई ओपिनियन बनाते हैं अपने मन में, ठीक है, जब उसके थ्रू हम उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. सेकंड इज बिग. व्हाट इज बिग? बिग इज साइज. यस. नेक्स्ट इज white. White is a color. Now you can see the sequence. Opinion, then age या shape हमारे पास था नहीं, then we have opinion. After opinion we have size. In size हमारे पास age और shape था नहीं, फिर color की बात आई, then we have use color. अगर यहाँ पे origin या material या purpose होता तो फिर उसके बाद हम sequence में उनको लिखते हैं. Got it? A wonderful old Italian clock. Wonderful. Wonderful is opinion. Old is age. Yes. And last one, Italian, is origin. कहाँ से ये belong करता है? Now see, opinion, then age, then origin. Got it? It's not necessary कि एक ही sentence में ये सारे इन सारों के according adjectives आ जाए, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Adjectives आ सकते हैं, लेकिन आप उनको उनके according ही रखेंगे. मे भी आपने इनमें से कोई भी थी या कोई भी चार या कोई भी दो यूज किए, बट वो according to this होना चाहिए. Order of adjective dash be POSAS COMP इसी रूल के according होने चाहिए. Got it? Now we have an exercise which we have to do in that worksheet. So let's do it. Okay. Now see in your book that number one has already done a beautiful scarf. Sana green has Italian. Sana has a beautiful green Italian scarf. Okay. Beautiful is opinion. Green is color and Italian is origin according to this rule. Yes. Now next we have a house owns old lovely bricks. Yes. So here we have determine. Yes. Age. Determine. Age. Lovely. Opinion. And brick. That's mean material. So these adjectives we are having in this sentence. So what it will become? It will become she owns. सबसे पहले वाला क्या आता है? Determine. Yes, she owns then we use opinion which we have here, lovely. She owns a lovely. Yes, उसके बाद हमारे पास according to rule क्या आएगा? Age, old. Yes, old. Then material. Material we are using brick. It's here brick. Owns lovely old brick house. Got it? यहाँ पे we have done it serial wise. Determine, then opinion, then age, and then last material. Got it? Now see number 3. Two staring I saw green big eyes me at. Yes, two staring I saw big eyes me at. यहाँ पे हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्टिव कौन से हैं? See, two. Yes, green big. Yes, we have 3. So now we will start writing. I saw two big eyes, big green eyes, two big green eyes staring at me. Yes, I saw two big green eyes. Two before use a noun. Determine. Yes, size, color. Okay, size, color. Okay. Next is number 4. by will copper vessel. So first we will see that हमारे पास adjective कौन कौन से हैं. Okay, so adjectives we have copper, which is a material, and new, age. Yes. Now we will arrange the sentence. Will you buy the new cooking copper vessel. Okay, new cooking copper vessel. Age, material. Got it? Age and material. Yes. Now we'll do the last one, which is fifth. Okay. Okay. Number 5. Will ancient vessel are not table, wooden, enormous, French. Enormous size. Yes. Wooden, material, and ancient, age. Yes. French origin. Now in this sentence we have 1, 2, 3, 4 adjectives. Now we will rearrange these words to make a sentence. Okay, so it will be we will not sell our is determined here. Okay, our we will not sell our enormous we will not sell our enormous, ancient, wooden, ancient, but French origin will come first. French, wooden, table. We will not sell our enormous ancient French wooden table. Now you can see determine, then size, age. Yes, determine, size, age, then origin, and last material. Got it? See, T, then S, then A, and then this O and M. Got it? So I hope this video will help you to learn order of adjectives, and you will like this video. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.